Yes, we have SMM training and it's level 3, which means after the 2-day session, meron pa kayong 2 weeks na internship or matututunan ninyo kung paano i-apply yung mga natutunan ninyo sa training. And the beauty of it all is yung ginawa ninyo or yung gagawin ninyo sa internship, pwede niyo na siyang ilagay sa inyong portfolio. Now, the social media management and marketing class is next weekend na. So, that's Saturday and Sunday. 12 till 4 p.m. yung class. 999 pesos lang siya. If you guys are interested to join, i-click nyo lang tong link sa bio ko sa profile. Kung nasa Instagram naman kayo, ito yung i-click nyo. Kung nasa Facebook page ko naman kayo, i-check nyo na lang yung caption. At ganun din sa YouTube, i-check nyo na lang yung description box. You guys will then be taken to this page. Nandito na lahat ng kailangan nyo para matuto kayo maging freelancer. And right under open classes, i-click nyo lang 999 Social Media Management Level 3. Diyan sa form na yan, makikita nyo na lahat ng information about the training, schedule, saan ipapadala yung bayad. Nandyan na rin yung i-fill out nyo na form after yung ipadala yung. And then after nung class, after nung 2 weeks na internship, magkakaroon kayo ng application book session wherein tuturuan namin kayo kung paano mag-apply, paano makahanap ng clients, ano mga kailangang ihanda. After nun, magkakaroon kayo ng final activity where you guys will be submitting yung inyong resume, cover letter, lahat ng matututunan ninyo sa application book. Samaan ng boses ko, iskutod. Pero lang, ilalaman natin yan. May boses naman ako kahit paano ngayon. But, after nun, saka kayo magkakaroon ng one-on-one with me. So, i-review natin lahat ng isinubmit ninyo sa application book ninyo. Again, this class is next week na, Saturday and Sunday, 12 till 4 p.m. Now, just a heads up. And again, makinig maigi. Ito is yung last class of the year. Kasi sa first quarter ng 2024, client-focused si Edina, ang pinakang juicy, ang pinakang spicy na SMM coach. So, hindi tayo magkakaroon ng classes ng January, February, and March. Hindi pa rin guaranteed ang April. Hopefully, makabalik daw siya by April. But again guys, itong mga mentors natin, lahat kami ay freelancers. So, hindi guaranteed na meron kaming similar class the following month. If I were you guys, magta 13th month pay kayo, gusto nyo maging social media manager or social media marketer, mag-enroll na kayo ngayon, take the opportunity na pag-aralan ito bago pumasok ang 2024 because ang social media management and marketing hindi lang siya pang freelancing. You can even apply it sa corporate job nyo, pwede nyo i-apply yun sa sarili nyong negosyo. So wherever you see fit, lalo na ngayong nag-shift na yung market and most people, most businesses online na. So ito yung pinakang patok na patok sa mga gusto mag-transition sa freelancing because tayo mismo familiar na tayo sa social media. Anyway, hope this helps. Comment, ano ba yung comment nito? Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis and I'm sorry for my voice. Bye!